Hello everyone, this is Toss and Catch Day 3. Now it says bean bags, but you can use any object you want to use today. And today I'm going to use up some rolled up pieces of paper. What are we learning today? Eye-hand coordination, the ability to do activities that require the simultaneous use of our hands and eyes, like an activity that uses the information our eyes perceive, visual spatial perception, to guide our hands to carry out a movement. Why are we learning it? Most activities that you do in your day-to-day life use some degree of eye-hand coordination. That's why it's important to ensure that it is developed as possible. How will I know I've learned it? I can toss and catch the bean bag or other activities or other items in many different ways successfully. And we've been practicing 5 in a row for expert status. I have the confidence to try new ways to toss and catch the beanbag or whatever item you're going to use without giving up. So here are the challenges that we are going to try. Each student gets a beanbag or whatever you have. Find your own personal space. And then we're going to try these items 5 in a row. Piece of paper. Toss and catch with 2 hands. So you do that 5 times. Eyes looking at the object, hands ready to catch. Toss and catch with your right hand only. Toss and catch with your left hand only is number 3. Next one, alternate back and forth. Almost like juggling. Next one, toss and catch at different levels. So maybe it's a couple low ones, a couple medium ones, a couple high ones. Next, toss and catch. Toss, sit down, and catch. Next one, toss, spin around, and catch. Oh, that's a tough one. Gotta practice that one. Next one, toss, touch the floor, and catch. Again, your goal is 5 times. Place your item on your shoelaces, almost like you're playing soccer. And then kick it up to yourself and try to catch that. Next one says make up your own trick. And then, I'm going to try to put it on my head. Drop it and catch it. And then finally, find a partner. So if you have somebody at your house that you can play catch with, that would be great. Have fun with day 3, toss and catch.